Good morning, children. Today, we are going to look at your textbook, page 64. Let's look at the vocabulary. Please say the word after me. Ticket, ticket. Ringgit, ringgit. Cent, cent. Cheap, cheap. Expensive, expensive. Let's look at the box here. How much is it? It's 2 ringgit and 50 cents. This is 2 ringgit and 50 cents. How much are they? They are 6.50. You can also say 6.50. Can you read the sentences after me? How much is it? It's 2 ringgit and 50 cents. How much are they? They are 6.50. Very good. Now, let's look at the dialogue. Please read after me. Hello. Hello. Can I help you? I would like a ticket for Cyberjaya, please. What time does the bus leave? The bus for Cyberjaya leaves in 10 minutes. Is the ticket expensive? No, it isn't. It's 6 ringgit and 50 cents. Wow, that's cheap. Okay. 1 ticket, please. Here you go. Bye. Thank you. Bye. Alright, if we look at the 2 children here, they are trying to act out how to buy a bus ticket. Let's look at the first picture. The girl here, she wants a ticket for Cyberjaya. That means she wants to go to Cyberjaya. That's why she asks, what time does the bus leave? When you buy a bus ticket, you always check what time does the bus leave. The bus for Cyberjaya leaves in 10 minutes. If you buy the ticket now, you can get on the bus and it will leave in 10 minutes. And this is the time you want to know how much does the ticket cost. You want to know how much you need to pay. So she asked, is the ticket expensive? Do I need to pay a lot? He answered, no, it isn't. It is not expensive. It's 6 ringgit and 50 cents. You can also say it's 6.50. Wow, that's cheap. 1 ticket, please. She can afford the price, so she buys 1 ticket. And when you give something to others, you say, here you go, bye. And when you receive something from others, you need to say, thank you. Alright, children, you have finished the reading activity for today. Thank you and bye.